Good afternoon everybody and welcome to the Voices Foundation's Virtual Singing Assembly. My name is Charles and I'm delighted to have you here with us today. We're here every Friday at 1 p.m. to lead you through some really fun and inspiring singing. And you can join us from wherever you are, whether you're by yourself, with your class, or even at home with your family. Now, I don't know about you, but getting out and about and enjoying fresh air and blue skies always makes me feel pretty positive and free. So I've got a song about that today. But before we learn that song, let's get in the zone and warm up our mind, our body and our voices. Let's get started by taking a look outside and going on a little walk. Copy me. Trees are green and the air is sweet. Trees are green and the air is sweet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. I point my feet down that freedom line. I point my feet down that freedom line. Walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Yeah, walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Trees are green and the air is sweet. Trees are green and the air is sweet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. I point my feet down that freedom line. I point my feet down that freedom line. Walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Yeah, walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Trees are green and the air is sweet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. Trees are green and air is sweet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. I point my feet down that freedom line. Walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Yeah, I point my feet down that freedom line. Walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Trees are green and the air is sweet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. I'll point my feet down that freedom line. Walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Yeah, trees are green and the air is sweet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. I point my feet down that freedom line. Walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Yeah! Now I want us to do that once more together, and I want us to have lots and lots and lots of energy. Today's session is going to be especially active. We're going to be on the move, and I want to make sure that I can hear that yeah at the end, so it can be your loudest, most enthusiastic yeah that lets me know you really are feeling great today. Let's give it a go. Off we go. Trees are green and the air is sweet. The good earth is singing underneath my feet. I point my feet down that freedom line. Walking that road, I'm feeling fine. Yeah! Fantastic. I think I heard that. That was pretty loud. Great stuff. So we've started off there with a bit of a walk. And our song is going to take us on a bit of a walk later on too. So I think we should probably limber up with all of this walking and all of this journeying we've got to do. So let's start. Just join me with some knee grabs. Let's grab those knees in. Going to get the blood pumping and the air flowing, and we'll be ready for all this activity. And what about some ankle grabs? Yeah, ankle grabs. Grabbing our feet, pulling them up. Yep, and some twists. Yep. Keep going with those. Yep, and the shoulders. To roll the shoulders one way and then the other. And then let's reach up to the ceiling. Stretch as tall as we can, and then we'll lean over to one side and up to the ceiling again, and over to the other side and up to the ceiling again, and let's reach out to the front and out to the back, and then let's just give me some jogging on the spot. Yep, we're really going to get the heart rate up so we are ready for the walk that we've got to do in the song. And then my favourite way to warm up ever, let's have some jumping jacks. Yep, lots of energy here. We'll get that blood pumping and shake the hands, roll the shoulders, feet apart, nice and tall for me. And let's breathe in that fresh, sweet air in our starter activity. Breathe it in for me. And let it go. In again. Lovely. Let's check how we're standing. Nice and tall and open. Today's all about freedom and positivity. So let's open those chests, stand tall and positive and proud. This time, on the out-breath, we're going to breathe in, but on the out-breath, we're going to add some sounds. So just, I'll go first, then you copy me. Lovely. Keep breathing in that fresh, sweet air. Oh, that feels so satisfying to breathe that fresh air in. So we'll make a really satisfied noise. Give me a mmm. Mmm. Even more satisfied. Mmm. Mmm. Can you be even more satisfied? Mmm. Mmm. Oh. 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 Blue skies. 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 Lovely stuff. Now, just hold on to the image you had there of those beautiful blue skies, because they might, just might, come in handy for our song today. Today's song is full of possibilities, positivity, and a real sense of freedom. Have a listen. I walked to the end of the road and I looked in all directions. I looked as far as my eye could see. I see those blue skies, sunrise. Ain't nobody there but me. So, today's song, you can see, has some actions, and hopefully those actions will help us learn the words. Let's give it a go. My turn and then your turn. I walked to the end of the road. Your turn. I walked to the end of the road. And I looked in all directions. And I looked in all directions. I looked as far as my eye could see. I looked as far as my eye could see. I see those blue skies, sunrise. I see those blue skies, sunrise. Ain't nobody there but me. Your turn. Ain't nobody there but me. So now we've got those words and those actions to help us remember. I'll sing a line and you can sing it back to me. I'll walk to the end of the road. I'll walk to the end of the road. And I looked in all directions. And I looked in all directions. I looked as far as my eye could see. I looked as far as my eye could see. I see those blue skies, sunrise. I see those blue skies, sunrise. Ain't nobody there but me. Ain't nobody there but me. I'll walk to the end of the road. I'll walk to the end of the road. And I looked in all directions. And I looked in all directions. I looked as far as my eye could see. I looked as far as my eye could see. I see those blue skies, sunrise. I see those blue skies, sunrise. Ain't nobody there but me. Ain't nobody there but me. Great. Let's just pick out a couple of tricky moments. Let's just try that last phrase. Ain't nobody there. Ain't nobody there. Try that for me. Ain't nobody there. Ain't nobody there. Ain't nobody there but me. Ain't nobody there but me. Well done. A real bluesy feel to that final line. Then let's move back a line. I see those blue. I see those blue. Let's just slow that down. I see those blue. Try it for me. I see those blue. And again. I see those blue. Shall we try it at the speed? I see those blue. Your turn. I see those blue. Great stuff. Let's go on to the end of the line now. I see those blue skies, sunrise. Now, do you remember in the warm-up we sang blue skies? We used our blue skies. I want you to remember that lovely shape that we made and sing for me. Blue skies. Your turn. Blue skies. And again. Blue skies. And then let's just finish that phrase. Blue skies, sunrise. Blue skies, sunrise. Let's join the first part of that phrase back onto it. I see those, from there, off we go. I see those blue skies, sunrise. Great stuff. So now shall we try and join a few of these phrases together. Let's try phrase 1 and 2. Do you remember how they went? I'll sing them first and then you can copy them. I walked to the end of the road and I looked in all directions. I walked to the end of the road and I looked in all directions. Well done. And then that third phrase, I looked as far as my eye could see. I looked as far as my eye could see. And then let's try now the last two phrases. We've just worked on them. Remember what we worked on. I see those blue skies, sunrise. Ain't nobody there but me. Your turn. I see those blue skies, sunrise. Ain't nobody there but me. Great stuff. Let's sing the song through twice now. I'm going to sing it the first time. If you want, you can listen and then join in with me the second time. But if you've got the song already, you've already learnt it, then you can sing both times with me. make sure whichever time you join in that your actions are really, really confident. Here we go. Off we go. I walked to the end of the road and I looked in all directions. I looked as far as my eye could see. I see those blue skies, sunrise, ain't nobody there but me. I walked to the end of the road and I looked in all directions. I looked as far as my eye could see. I see those blue skies, sunrise, ain't nobody there but me. So this song is full of possibilities, I said earlier. Well, what are they? Well, we walked to the end of the road. Can you visualise that road? What does that road look like? And I looked in all directions. What did you see? I looked as far as my eye could see, all the way to the horizon. What is it you see on the horizon? Well, in this song we see the blue skies and the sunrise, and then we're left there by ourselves. It's just us. Real freedom to be alone with our own thoughts. Try and keep some of those images in your mind as we sing it one final time. 1, 2. I walked to the end of the road and I looked in all directions. I looked as far as my eye could see. I see those blue skies, sunrise, ain't nobody there but me. I just love that song, so I hope that you enjoyed it too. The walk in the song is just so full of possibilities that your imagination can just run wild with ideas. So why not write a short story about a different walk? How long was the road? What did you see when you looked in all directions? What was it you saw over there on the horizon? Was it just you, or were there others there with you? And teachers, for lots of ideas for teaching this song and developing it, as well as warm-ups and other useful activities, don't forget to download the Beyond the Sings worksheet that accompanies this video. The link is below. Also, if you liked this song, check out our virtual singing assembly on Ooh La La Lay, which is a song about sunset and the end of the day, which contrasts nicely with today's song about sunrise. All that remains for me to do is to thank you all for being here with us today. And don't forget to join us next Friday for another virtual singing assembly. Click on that subscribe button to make sure that you never miss out on any of our exciting content. Happy singing. Bye-bye.